Hey guys, I'm Jameson with Rogue Engineer, and today I'm going to show you how we installed and finished what I'm calling the double raised panel feature wall. Probably need to trademark that. All right, let's get right into it. All right, so for this raised panel feature wall, we've got a big wall to work with. We've got 10-foot ceilings and it's about 20 foot long. So what we've opted to do is to go with bigger boards, vertical boards. So instead of like a typical like a 1x6 or a 1x4, we ended up going with a 1x8 across the top, the bottom, and then vertically. Then we're gonna divide it up with a 1x6 going vertically about, or horizontally about 36 inches or so off the ground. And that'll divide it up into a bigger top panel and a smaller lower. So we're gonna go ahead and drop the first board down about 3 inches from the ceiling. That way when we run crown molding around the room, we'll still have the same amount or close to it exposed on that top board. When we're cutting these boards, all of the joints, because obviously we don't have a board that's gonna run the full length of the wall. So when we cut those boards, we cut it at a 22.5-degree angle, and then we're gonna glue all of those joints with a high quality wood glue. All right, so as we're putting the detailed trim around the inside of the square and then this other square, we made sure that we glued all the joints. And what we used was a product from DAP called Rapid Fuse. And it's basically like a fast setting glue. And it's really nice for this kind of project because when you put it on there, you set the wood in place and you can kind of hold it down right where you want it. And within about 30 seconds, it tacks up and it holds it nice and firm. With all that done, we still had some nail holes and a couple of joints in the wood that needed to be filled. We did that with Plastic Wood X from DAP, which is a great wood filler, perfect for that application. All the wood that we used was pre-primed poplar, and then the trim was pine, but that was also pre-primed. And however, the screen mold right here is actually just raw wood, so we needed to go ahead and prime that. And that's what Jamie's doing now, is priming that wood, and then once that dries in about 30 minutes, we'll put on our first coat of paint. We also had a couple of seams or gaps between the trim and the wall that needed to be filled, and we did that with Alex Plus, which is a great product for this because it dries in about 20 minutes, or it's paintable in about 20 minutes. So the wall ended up coming together exactly how we had in mind. We love how it turned out. It makes a huge statement, but it also makes this master bedroom feel nice and cozy. We couldn't have done it without our sponsor for this video, DAP Products. They have a ton of great products that made finishing this super easy and come together nice and seamlessly. If you like this wall, give me the thumbs up below. Also, make sure you comment, tell me what your thoughts are, if you would do anything differently. Other than that, if you want to tune in for more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until next time, be safe and happy building.